Previously, we finished all the metal work for our new entrance and began construction of the bigger terrace. As long as it doesn't rain. You never know. Doing concrete again this morning. But it's great. The whole family's pulling together. Good job, let's go. Getting this job done. But we still have a lot of work to do. But it's going to be heavy, so that's all you need to know.
We have one more day to kind of finish this part off, because tomorrow there's actually something that's really special happening.
Simple wild living. Nice one.
We're carrying on with this deck build this week. Last week was an extremely busy, extremely tough week. Even though it's a bit of a short week since we have some stuff coming up, we want to crack on and do as much today. We actually made some changes over the last few days. Again, we've actually made our deck even bigger. We extended the outside another 1 meter, but only 3 meters, because we're going to do something on the deck that we needed a little bit more space. Because we extended it 1 meter by 3 meters on this side, we've actually moved the staircase that was going to be on the back side to the side over here. It's going to look a little bit more fun.
Now the total is 6 meters. Half.
Exactly, so it's a little bit bigger but more fun. Since we're going to have something on the deck that's going to be quite heavy, we need to put in some extra bracing, so we're working on that today. It was pretty simple to extend the deck 1 meter. We just put 3 new holes and we added on this piece here. We had one piece here which was going to be for the railing. I just chopped it off and I'm going to weld it up and clean it up. So now we have this 1 new meter, and because we have this 1 new meter and we're going to have the pergola on that side, we're actually going to run staircases from here all the way down, so we have another big staircase to build. What we're working on this morning is, because we're going to have something quite heavy that is going to sit here, we need to have some extra bracing. These are 6x6 and there's a 2.1 millimeters thick. There's no going to be bend on it, so we don't need to have any crossbars since there's going to be no flex on this. And the joists are sitting at about 1 meter 30, so there is a bit of play on the joists. That's not going to work. At 60 and 90 centimeters, we're going to put a 6x6 so we can have the joist sitting on top, and that's going to stop it from having any play, which means that we can put a bigger load on top of this deck and we'll have the extra support. Cracking on with that today so we can start grinding everything off, and hopefully by the end of this week we can start putting on the joists, painting and getting this part finished, as our deck boards are hopefully arriving next week. I want to get this job done. Idea we came up with, because we're going to have joists every 30, so we're going to have one joist here, but the next joist is going to actually sit on top of the 6x6. The next joist is going to sit on top of this 6x6, which means that there's going to be less compression, especially no flex on these deck boards where we're going to have very heavy legs sitting. What we're also going to do is, we know that the deck boards are about 14 centimeters long, so we're going to run the joist 4x2s in between here, in between where the deck boards are going to sit, so it's going to have no play whatsoever, which means we can put a much heavier load on top of the deck, which is the most important. So we're going to do 2 here, 2 over there, and all the way down. Once that is done, we have our extra support for something very exciting. Coming later. It's going to be heavy, so that's all you need to know. All right, let's crack on.
Please. What the shoe? Please. I need my meter.
Been painting really well.
Oh, thank you.
Got these 2 supports in so that we can have the joists on top of them. So we have the decks and there's going to be no pressure, so that's perfect. We know the measurement of what we're going to have on top. The legs are going to sit on here and it's going to be strong and sturdy. I want to get this done
Dima.
as soon as possible. So what I've done is I've cut 13 of these at 18 centimeters. This is going to sit here. Once the joist is on, the deck board is on, we're going to have 2 deck boards that are going to sit on here. It's going to stick out a little bit, which is going to be really nice. Something for the deck board to attach to. Cool. Let's get them joined on. Super happy to get quite a lot done today, but it's 8 o'clock. Got all the brackets in for the sideboards. I've been working on, that's the 1 extra meter, and on the sides there, that's where the steps are going to run all the way down. I'm not sure if we're going to do the joists first and then come and finish the stays off later. We will see. Tomorrow we're getting up super early. We're heading into the city. We will see you in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, we're up early. We're heading into the city. We have been invited to the NAS Summit. Is being held by NAS Daily. If you are in Mongolia, I'm sure everyone in Mongolia has heard of NAS Daily and the NAS Summit happening in Ubi today. NAS Daily, he has 21 million subscribers on Facebook, and he has come to do a summit and bring 7 content creators to teach all about different techniques on content creation here in Mongolia. There was only 1,000 people that were selected to go, and fortunately we were selected. So we are super happy to be recognized as content creators, even with a small YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We are so excited. So we're taking you guys along. We'll show you what it's like there. Just enjoy the day. Oh. Are you tired?
Yeah. Ta-da!
In time, half an hour early for registration. They sent me a mail that they might want me to go up on stage, which is very exciting.
Toasted!
But Zula is extremely nervous. Let's go see if they have coffee. Coffee!
Yeah. We'll come earlier.
Yeah. It's a big event, so.
Yeah.
Never been an event this big in Mongolia before. The thing is that they're in Mongolia, YouTube is not huge because there's no Google AdSense. So in other countries, the way there is Google AdSense, they always have like YouTube conferences and things like that. But there isn't that. So NAS is doing it. So that's
really
fantastic.
exciting.
Really exciting.
Right there.
Okay. One girl.
My name's Chingeltei. Great to meet all of you, and I'll see you around and about. Thank you, guys.
Hi.
How's it going so far?
Super cool.
We just had some lunch now, so we're taking a bit of a break, and then we will go back for the second half. It seems like I am going on stage to be roasted by Nazir. To hear from somebody like Nazir, he's going to roast me, so it's going to be interesting. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get some of that on the film. Don't know.
I can't take it.
Zula's nervous about the roasting.
Yeah, I can't take it.
Really fun to have an experience like this. Meet lots of people, which is really, really great. People with the same interests.
Yeah.
We'll see how the afternoon goes, and we'll catch you later. Bye.
There it is! Okay, Ashley, what is your primary platform?
YouTube.
YouTube Shorts or YouTube Long?
YouTube now.
YouTube Long, okay, that's a hard one. Okay, and what's your username?
Simple, wild living.
Oh, good. Simple Wild Living. Nice one. Good username. We like the username. Good username. Simple. Let's see if it's actually findable. Wild Living. Okay, you can find them. That's really the test. The test is the drunk test. If you are drunk right now and you're in the middle of a party, can you say your username to a girl or a guy? And can they understand it? That is the drunk test, okay? So if you're a party, a simple one, live in. Okay, great. Let's click on it. We are a couple that got together in Sweden. Ash is a guy from South Africa, and Zula is a girl from Mongolia. Wow! Now it's time for a big change and do something new and build an amazing future. We invite you to join our family's incredible journey. Very good description. Now I understand why I need to follow you. It's clear and simple. Okay, so let's go to your videos. Okay, which one should I click on? Okay, so, yeah, so you make a lot of 20-minute long videos. You make a lot of, how much time does it take you for these videos?
18 hours editing.
Wow, Jesus. Okay, that's a lot. Good. And look at his thumbnail, guys. Thumbnails are actually pretty good. The only issue is that not many people have time for 20 minutes. No one's got time to sit 20 minutes. Look at you. If you turn your videos into one, so let's see how many videos are. So this is a vlog of your life. So you're basically documenting your personal life for yourself and your family.
Yeah, I'm making changes here in Mongolia as much as possible.
Got it. I mean, you're doing some things right, but it's not working. It's not working. This got 2,500 views. It's not working. How long have you been doing this?
2 years.
It's definitely not working. So you need to find a new format like ASAP, as soon as possible. Have you tried shorts?
No.
What? Shorts is the easiest way to get attention today. Reels is the second easiest. TikTok is the third easiest. Instagram Reels is the fourth easiest. YouTube long videos is the fifth easiest, which is the hardest. But what I'm trying to say is, it is much harder to get attention with a 20-minute video. Become the 1-minute family guy.
Are you saying that someone should start off with shorts and then once they're established, they can start to make long form?
Exactly. If you are a nobody, you need to be discovered. The easiest way to be discovered is through shorts.
Or take your long form content and turn it into shorts.
You can take your 20-minute long video and turn it into shorts. I don't think it'll work because you have vlogged. You need to take a video from beginning to end as a short. So you and your wife and your kids say, hey, we're gonna make a 1-minute video from scratch. And test that out. Do 50 1-minute videos, put them on shorts, and I guarantee you, you will get more than 2,000 views. Guaranteed.
I'll keep that.
Good luck, Ashley.
Perfect.
Thank you, Ashley. Thank you to everyone.
That was fun.
Too much fun.
To be roasted on stage. Yeah, we were debating what is it going to find. Is it going to be our titles, our thumbnails, the name of our channel? But it was short form content, and we kind of knew that.
We need to work on it.
We need to work on it. We have some really, really good ideas for short form content that is coming. So would love to hear what you guys think about that. What is your guys' thought about us doing also, besides our long form content, also doing short form content
My funny way.
in a funny way, food way, Mongolian stuff.
Yeah.
It will be kind of really great to hear from you guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna just have some coffee. We're gonna continue this journey here, and then we'll catch you guys later. So guys, that's the end of our experience here at the NAS conference. It was
Absolutely amazing.
It was amazing, and the greatest news is that getting to do it all over again next year. That's a bit of a challenge.
Yeah.
It's a challenge for us, it's a challenge for Mongolians. Let's get creating, let's make content and grow as a country and as people. And next year when they come back, we can prove to them that we are worth coming to. We are being successful. We are worth coming back every year and teaching us how to make content creation cool.
Absolutely amazing day.
Absolutely amazing day. Guys, thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Bye.